Hey guys. So, might have gotten a new phone. Alright, yep, we're gonna unbox it right now. So obviously, iPhone 16 Pro. Wow. It's crazy. The action button too. New camera button. Of course, next thing we have is the cord. Then we got just basic stuff, and that's it. Literally back in the day, they actually had more stuff in the box, but like now, Apple doesn't give two shits. So yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.